If you work with children and young people as a volunteer or leader, maybe as a coach for a team or training, a youth group leader, or even a teacher or classroom assistant, I want to let you know about a workshop that I run about helping leaders and volunteers care for and acknowledge children and young people's mental health. The workshop consists of 3 different parts. Firstly, we look at the needs of young people. What is it that we need to make sure we're providing for them in the environments they're in to ensure that they can maintain their well-being and grow in healthy ways? This looks at what it means to make sure young people feel safe, seen, soothed and secure. We'll look at what these mean and how whatever environment you're working with them in, you can ensure that these things are in place. Then we'll look at how the best way to ensure young people's needs are met is through intentional listening and making sure they feel heard. We'll look at some basic listening skills to incorporate in the midst of our busy groups and spaces, and what the pitfalls might be that we maybe will find ourselves in. Finally, we'll look at what the expectations are on us as leaders or volunteers. When we think of physical health and first aid, the only expectations we have on ourselves are, number 1, to ensure they're safe, and number 2, if necessary, to pass them on to someone who knows how to help them get back to full health. These are the same expectations that we as leaders should have for ourselves around mental health. It's not that we need to know all of the answers surrounding mental health issues or bring them to a place of complete wellness, but that we're able to step into the situation when we maybe see something that concerns us, passing that information then on to the people who need to know, whether that be parents, guardians, or other professionals. This workshop can be delivered in about 90 minutes, either in person or online. And that delivery is a mix of talking, discussion, and a few fun activities to get you moving. But I promise nothing cheesy or cringy. The goal is to empower you to help young people feel that your groups and activities are places they feel open and able to be themselves, sharing any difficulties they may be encountering. If you'd like to book this workshop for your group or volunteer team, get in touch at the website ymind.ie.